Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make beef and onion stir fry. This is a really delicious recipe for you to make. It is super easy. Let me show you how to make this right away. Start by slicing your flank steak against the grains. You need the slices to be about 1/4 inches thin. When you're done with that, bring the slices into a large bowl and then season with white pepper, rice vinegar, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, baking soda, cornstarch, and sesame oil. Baking soda helps to tenderize the meat by breaking down the muscle fibers. When you're done mixing, leave the steak to marinate for 15 minutes. For the spring onions, separate the stalk from the green leaves. Cut the white stalks into 2 equal parts and further slice them into half or quarters, depending on the thickness. Also, cut your green onions into about 2 inches long. When you're done with that, set aside. You will also be needing 1 red onion for this recipe. Just slice the onion into thin strips. And also mince some fresh garlic and keep all of this aside. After that, heat a medium-sized skillet over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to the skillet. And then bring all of the onions into it and stir fry for 30 seconds. Once the onions are ready, remove them from the skillet and set aside. Add more oil to the skillet and bring in the marinated steak into it. Spread them out in a single layer. Brown the beef for 6 minutes on each side. In this video, I'm using about 1 kg of sliced steak, so I'll be using an extra pan to help hasten the cooking. However, you can use a large skillet if you have one. Let's leave the steak to cook until slightly golden brown. And while that is cooking, you can go ahead and prepare the sauce. For this sauce, combine light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, rice vinegar, white pepper, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1/2 cup of cold water. Mix these to incorporate nicely. It's time to bring all of the steak together in one pan. Add your minced garlic into it and cook for about 3 minutes. Reduce heat to medium-low and pour all the sauce mixture into the steak. Stir fry this for about 1 minute until the sauce thickens up. Once the sauce has thickened up, return the onions into the sauce and stir fry for about 30 seconds until the sauce coats the beef and the onions. Once everything has come together, you can take it off from heat. It is ready. You can see how easy it is to make beef and onion stir fry in under 30 minutes. This simple stir fry sauce is easy to make and it pairs perfectly with rice. I would love to know if you'll be trying this very soon in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!